Buying the richest curl refresher can leave your routine needlessly complicated. The real mistake is choosing moisture, oil, or hold without considering your curl pattern. Choose moisture, dry conditioning, oil, or hold. Overall pick: Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Restore+Revive Biphase Spray. I'd choose this when slept-on curls need reshaping, but a full re-wet feels excessive. Its biphase formula addresses both dryness and the frizzy appearance that develops between washes. That combination makes it the broadest routine fit here, especially when you want moisture before scrunching curls back into place. But you must shake the formula before every application because its phase is separate. It's also a wet refresh rather than dry conditioning. So I'd skip it if you dislike extra routine steps or want a completely dry finishing spray. For 4C curls: Mizani Style Shifter Society Coco Do Curl P Restyling Spray. Need one mist that works before styling and again between wash days? I'd pick Mizani for a moisture-forward routine where products are intentionally layered. The light mist can prepare curls for styling, then refresh them during the following days. It also supports hold, which helps when a simple moisture mist feels incomplete. But that versatility can become unnecessary baggage in a minimal routine. You're getting moisture, layering potential, and hold support together. So skip it if you want no added hold, no moisture, or one bare minimum finishing step. For fine curls: Moroccanoil Treatment Mist. Fine curls don't always need another water-heavy styling layer. I'd consider this when you want an oil-based refresh delivered through a fine mist. That format spreads a lighter layer across strands, making more sense for fine curls than a richer hand-applied oil. Its main appeal is a glossy-looking finish without choosing a dense product format. However, oil is still the defining feature, and that won't suit every routine. There's also a noticeable argan-oil scent. I'd skip it if you avoid oil-based products, prefer fragrance-free grooming, or need hold and reshaping instead. For Frizz: Living Proof No Frizz Instant De-Frizzer. This makes sense when your curls look fuzzy, but adding moisture would disrupt the routine. I'd use it as a dry conditioning finish for visible frizz, flyaways, and sections disturbed by sleep or humidity. Its oil-like spray format keeps the job focused on smoothing the overall appearance. But it isn't designed to rebuild curls that have fully lost their pattern. It can also leave curls looking larger and looser than you're used to. So skip it when definition is the real problem, because a dedicated reshaping refresher fits that job better. For curl stretching: Oribe Mystify Restyling Spray. This isn't the bottle for restoring maximum bounce. I'd pick it only when the goal is deliberately stretching curls into a looser, more wave-like arrangement. Its restyling roll creates a rope-like visual pattern instead of returning tight curls to their original shape. That's a distinctive result, which makes this a specialized purchase rather than a universal refresher. The other consideration is its luxury positioning, especially if refresh spray is a frequent replacement. Skip it if preserving tight definition matters most, or if you don't want a premium product for one narrow styling outcome. For dry hair: Kerastase Curl Manifesto Refresh Absolu Hairspray. When curls look dull and feel dry, I'd prioritize moisture before chasing stronger structure. This spray combines a moisture-focused refresh with light hold and a glossy-looking finish. That means it can neaten your curl arrangement without creating the crunchy finish many shoppers want to avoid. But the light hold is part of the package, so this isn't a neutral hydration mist. It also isn't intended for dry conditioning or deliberate curl stretching. I'd skip it if you want no hold whatsoever, or if adding moisture conflicts with your refresh method. For wavy hair: Curlsmith Effortless Wave Styling Spray. Flattened waves usually need encouragement, not the richest formula on the shelf. I'd choose Curlsmith when sleep has softened your pattern and you want moisture with light structure. The spray adds light hold without leaving a crunchy or flaky dry down. That makes it practical for waves that need definition but still need natural movement. However, the hold is intentionally restrained, so it won't replace a stronger styling product. Its role is also specifically centered on wavy hair. Skip it if you need richer oil conditioning, stronger structure, or support for a tighter curl routine. Choose Ouidad for broad reshaping, Mizani for layered moisture, and Moroccanoil for fine curls. Living Proof handles dry conditioning, Oribe stretches curls, Kerastase adds moisture with hold, and Curlsmith resets waves. Before buying, decide whether your routine tolerates moisture, oil, scent, hold, or shaking. Then consider storage and replacement frequency. Prices and formulas change, so check before you buy. I'd start with Ouidad for a flexible moisture refresh. But switch to the role-specific option when oil, dry conditioning, stretching, or light hold better matches your routine. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.